So the first thing we need to do is take them apart. And to do that, we need to pull back on the earmuff, and that will expose the screws to take it apart. Just 2 screws on this one. Just like that. I went to Walmart and I got this. It cost $4.47. Alright. Well, looks like the left side is probably our ground and the right side, like the left side is probably the ground on each side and the right side on each one is probably the specific speaker wire. So go ahead and cut these off. Oh geez, yeah, it's not like real wire. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open this up. I just cut this off. This distance here wasn't quite long enough. Put it through here. We will tie a little knot. Strip this back. So I got my soldering iron. I'll go ahead and pull the old one off. I'll go more like that, I guess. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Now, we've got our rosin core solder with, rosin core solder, 6040. You can use whatever side, whatever type. Eutectic is good. I think that's what they call it. Anyway, here's our solder. Rosin core is the best. So I'll go ahead and pre-tin our wires here. And then I think the left side was the ground or the common. Then solder that one on first. Son of a... Whoops. Okay, so that side is dry now, or hard. Now I'll go ahead and solder on this other side. Little dab will do ya. Woohoo! And when we solder it, we want to make sure we don't create a solder bridge between here and this connection here. Not sure exactly what that's for, but probably wouldn't be good to short that out. And just remember the red is for the right side earmuff and the white is for the left side earmuff. And then the bare copper wire is like the ground or the common. And that on this pair anyway, it went on the left one. And then I put the insulated wire on the right. So the right is red. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in now since I've got it nicely soldered with the new wires. Just kind of put that back in there. Pull this back so I can get to the hole. Okay, so there's the installation of the right side. Very nice. Now we'll go ahead and do the left side. Here's the old ribbon stuff, or the real whatever it is, the real thin stuff. Let's go ahead and remove that. Stick this through here. Okay, so put a little knot in it. So I think I used 14 last time. Pulled back about a 1/4 inch. We're exposed about a 1/4 inch. Twist up these ground wires and strip back just a tiny bit with the 22 gauge. There we go. Once again, we'll use our rosin core solder. Put a little pre-tinning on here. A little dab will do ya. And then I think the left side was the ground side. Put the bare wire on the left side. Well, we'll put on the white one first, I guess, on the right. Just a little dab, just 1 second, just enough to melt it. That's all it takes. And then wait a couple seconds till it turns hard again. And we'll go ahead and do this other side. If it reaches. Yeah, I think it'll reach. Just a little second. Just get it hot enough to melt. And let it cool for a few seconds till it changes color. You can see it'll go from shiny to dull when it hardens. Okay. Oh, that's not too bad. Nobody will see it anyway. So I'll go ahead and put this in here, pull this cable back through the hole. Leave a little extra. And then like that. We'll put a little screw in there. There we go. Much better. And then the other side here too. Okay. Finally, I'll get a zip tie. See about how much distance we want here. I'll pull it apart a little bit more. Probably about like that. Put a zip tie on it. There we go. Cut that flush. There you go.